Hello everybody, good morning. There was somebody right directly in front of my car when I parked this morning, and I didn't want to be sitting there talking to myself thinking I'm recording them or something. But I am currently at Walgreens and we are ready to do some of our Sunday shopping. Make sure you guys welcome yourself to Walgreens. But I got some IBOTTA deals that I'm going to do. I'm going to try to do some gift set deals if it works out in my favor and share with you guys some other deals. So let's go inside, or I'm already inside, but let's have some fun while we're doing it. So here we have some of the gift sets in the Walgreens ad. They have it where if you buy two, you get a $4 register reward. So you can mix and match however you guys want to do this deal, but I'm going to show you something that you can do. So here we have the Olay. It's a 3-set gift set for $10. You can buy this and then whatever other gift set is in the ad. If you guys want to look, they have Old Spice, they got Axe, Dove, Venus, Chic Intuition, Gillette. Here we got Aquaphor if you guys want to get an Aquaphor thing. Nivea and Raw Sugar, Gillette, another Dove, Access. So anyways, you can buy two of them. Some of them range, most of them look like they're all $10 on sale. So, and if these say they're $11.99, and if they ring up $11.99, the online says that they're $10. So, but anyways, you'd pay $20 for two of them, but then you get that $4 extra care buck, and you can submit your receipt to the IBOTTA app where you'll get $5 back, making it just $11 for two gift sets. That's $5.50 each if you guys want to go ahead and do that deal. So here we have the dial refills for $5.99. Now we currently have a $2 off digital coupon that you can use. You'll end up paying just $3.99. But when I go to my Shopkick app, it showed that I get 450 points. But when I scanned it, and it says right here I get 450 points. But when I submit my receipt, it shows me that I only get 200 kicks. So something's weird about it. But anyways, if I do submit my receipt, I'll get 220 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is 88 cents. Then you also get a $2 rebate with IBOTTA, making this just $1.11 if you guys need to go ahead and get that deal. So here we have the L'Oreal Elvive for 2 for $9. Now we currently have two coupons that you guys can use. We have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon that you want to use, and then we also have the 2 off of 2 from the Walgreens booklet or IVC. You'd end up just getting both of them for $2 or $1 each. So here we have the Purex crystals. These are $7.49. They're currently buy one, get one free. So you would pay $7.49. But we have a Shopkick deal where there's 3 different options that you guys can get. I have one where if I get the Cherry Blossom or Ginger Fresh. I also have it where we have the Lavender Blossom, Tahitian Breeze, Fresh Spring Waters, and then the Fresh Mountain Breeze and Fabulously Fresh. But you get 540 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $2.16 if depending on each flavor that you guys get. But you'll pay $7.49, you'll get the $2.16 times 2, making it $3.17 or just $1.58 each. So here we have this Purex option also. These have gone up, but these are $8.49 for a little pack of pods, which is ridiculous. But anyways, these are also buy one, get one free. My store only has one, which I'm not doing this deal anyways. There is an IBOTTA deal where if you purchase the pods, you'll get $1 back. So if you buy 2 packs of pods, you'll pay $8.49. You get $2 back with IBOTTA, making that $6.49 or $3.25 each. Here we have the Palmolive hand soap on sale for $1.25, but we currently have a 75-cent off digital coupon. You get just this little baby bottle for just 50 cents. Okay, you guys, I was just informed by one of the store managers that he marked down a lot of the toys to 40% off. Now it looks like it's this price up until Christmas. So if you guys are interested in any of these things, 40% off is still a pretty great deal. So definitely check it out if you've been eyeing something, because it may or may not be available again when you're ready for it, but definitely check it out. if you guys need some peanut butter, these are, I think they're 2 for $6. I thought I saw them in the ad, but they are 2 for $6. We currently have $1 off of one digital coupon. You would end up paying $5 for 2 of them, but then you get a 25-cent rebate with IBOTTA, so you get 50 cents back with IBOTTA, making these just $4 or $2 each. Vilamos. If you guys do need some toilet paper or paper towels, this isn't a good deal, and it goes all the way to the end of the month. So these are $5, so you'll end up getting them for $5 or $2.50 each. So they're buy one get one 50% for the toilet paper and paper towels. So it comes out to be like $7.50 for 2 of them. That's $3.29 or $3.75 each, which is an okay deal if you guys need to stock up. So here we have the Advil tablets, or the liquid. My store sold out the liquid, but you can buy the liquid for $7.79 and welcome to Walgreens, and buy one get one 50% off. You would pay $11.68 for the liquid, but you can submit your receipt to IBOTTA for $2.50 with a limit of 5, and you'll get the $5 register reward when you purchase the 2. Makes it $1.68 or 84 cents each, which is a great deal. You can buy the tablets for $6.49, buy one get one 50% off. You would pay $9.73. You get $5 back with IBOTTA. You get the $5 back register reward. This ends up becoming a 27-cent moneymaker. Everybody, welcome to my channel. Now, I wanted to share with you guys a couple deals, but their Walgreens app wasn't acting right. Like, when I scanned an item, the coupons weren't popping up. I had to like search for it. There just wasn't a couple deals. It is kind of slow, but if you guys are definitely looking at toys, go for it. But I'm just going to share with you guys what I got. So this is a pretty decent deal if you get the Purex crystals. These were $7.49 at buy one get one free. You want to get 2 different flavors if you want to do this deal, but you would pay $7.49 for these. But with the Shopkick app, you get 540 kicks for purchasing the different flavors, which is $2.16 for purchasing and scanning them. So you'll basically get both of them for $3.17 or $1.58 each, which is a pretty great deal if you guys want to go ahead. There's a guy that was shopping in the aisle, and I think he might have been doing a honey list, which is basically what his wife is telling him to pick up, and he looks so confused. And then, like, you know, he's watching me like, what are you doing? And I help customers while I'm shopping all the time. Like, I'm always helping them, showing them where things are, helping them out, all that fun stuff. And I was just about to ask him, like, do you need help with anything? But it was funny. Got the L'Oreal Elvive. These were 2 for $9. There is a 5 off of 2 digital coupon, plus there is a 2 off of 2 coupon that you guys can use from the Walgreens booklet. So that booklet basically is a one-time deal, which sucks because I did look at the Rolos that I bought last week and this week, and that coupon did not pop up for the IBC. So, but these come out to be just $2 or $1 each if you guys want that. I also got the Dial hand soap refills. Now, funny thing is, I was gonna go buy some Kotex because I'm like, oh, I get 700 kicks with Kotex. I go and scan the item, and then it shows I get 200 kicks, and I'm just like, Shopkicks, make up your mind. What is it? And then when I go to click where I'm gonna submit my receipt, it shows that it's 200 kicks. I'm like, nope, not gonna do that. I was thinking of maybe messaging them, but sometimes it's not worth it. But here we have the Dial soap. These were $5.99. There is a $2 off digital coupon that you'd want to use. You would pay $3.99 for this, but then there is a $2 IBOTTA rebate, and you get 220 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is, it looks like a police vehicle, but it's some kind of capital video, which is 88 cents. And so this ends up becoming just $1.11, which is a pretty decent deal if you got that. I ended up also getting the Palmolive dish soap. I actually love the Palmolive. I used to like Dawn all the time. Dawn. And then since I coupon for Palmolive, I actually like it. I like it pretty well. So these were $1.25. There is a 75-cent off digital coupon that you guys can use. You would just get this little bad boy for 50 cents. Now this is a great item. And if you guys all are for like, you know, making gift baskets with your stockpile, these are cute little items to give. I love getting like cute little things. But those would be a great item if you guys need to give somebody gift baskets. I used to do that all the time. Back in the day, I'd give gift baskets to my family. Like, everybody in my family would get personal care products. But then my mom wouldn't use, she wouldn't even use 90% of the stuff that I got her. It would just sit there. And then, like, I asked her, I'm like, what do you want? And she's like, oh, you can just give me anything, I'll use it. And she still never used it. So I just stopped doing those gift baskets because my family were just, didn't care. And when I ask them if they want something, they never give me an answer. So I'm just like, whatever. But I ended up getting this Advil, the kids. I wanted to get the liquid, but I just bought the liquid, so maybe these pills would be just fine. But, you know, it's for when kids are not feeling the greatest. But these were $6.49 at buy one, get one 50% off. You would pay $9.73 for this, but then you get $2.50 back times 2 with IBOTTA, and you get a $5 registry reward, which did say store coupon on it. You'll get that $5 registry reward, making this a 27-cent moneymaker. So if you get the liquid, it comes out to be $1.68 or 84 cents, which is still a pretty good deal. Or these come out to be a 27-cent moneymaker. So definitely go ahead and do that deal. Now, I was looking at the Colgate. I had a $1 off digital coupon, and then I had a $1 off printable coupon. You would have gotten some Colgate for free, but I have so much Colgate toothpaste, I'm just like, it's okay. And then the Oral-B, I couldn't get any coupon to pop up, and then there was one coupon that did pop up, but my store didn't have enough, and I'm just like, whatever. But anyways, my total came to $20.25. I got that $5 register reward. I did receive $7 for IBOTTA. It was for the $5 for the Advil and the $2 for the dial. With Shopkicks, I received 1,335 points, which is $5.35. I did have a booster if I spent 20, so I ended up getting $5.26 for a booster. I did not pay with points because I'm like, okay, I want to kind of build some of my money up again. So my grand total came to be a $2.35 moneymaker. So not much of a haul, but I'm still happy with what I got. I hope you guys can get some gifts, especially those toys. I was debating on getting the toys. Like, I really want to, but I'm pretty much done with my kids. If it was like the best price, I would have totally done it. But other than that, that's all I'm gonna get. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.